Okay, I just found out how to use the video editor, so yeah, it's pretty awesome. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. My cat left. See? No cat. There she's over there. Okay, look. She's over there. Can you see her? Kitty, come here. Can you see her? You can see her tail right there. 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 Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, bye.